Welcome students of MBA. Today we are discussing the problems on ages, age-wise sums. Okay, this is older, the relation between the ages. After 10 years the age becomes, and the ratio is given. You have to find a particular age. And starting with very simple sum. Okay, look at the sum. Mother is 25 years older than son. Okay, mother is 25 years older than son. So if son is x years, mother becomes automatically x plus 25. Right? After 8 years, now son's present age is x. So after 8 years, the son will become x plus 8. Right? And mother's present age is x plus 25. So after 8 years, she will become x plus 25 plus 8. That is equal to x plus 33. Getting after 8 years condition also we have written. And after 8 years, either ago or after, hence conditions will be given. Ago you have to subtract 8 years back, x minus 8 it will be. Okay, but here it is after 8 years, means 8 years hence the son becomes x plus 8 and mother becomes x plus 33, because today mother is x plus 25. Now the ratio is given. After 8 years ratio is 4 upon 9. So this ratio we cannot take. We have to take this ratio. After 8 years ratio, x plus 8 upon x plus 33 equal to 4 upon 9. Okay. Now simply cross multiply. Find son's age only is asked. So we have taken son as x. If you take mother as x, son will be x minus 25. Getting? Okay. So now this ratio, after 8 years the ratio is 4 upon 9. X plus 8 upon x plus 33. This ratio is 4 as to 9, you can take 4 upon 9. Now simply cross multiply. 9 in bracket x plus 8, 9x plus 72 is equal to 4x plus 33 into 4 is 132. Xx one side, 9x minus 4x is 5x. 132 minus 72 is 60. 5x equal to 60, x equal to 60 upon 5, that is 12. Answer 12 years. Yeah, there will be 4 options. You have to take the correct option. Your sum may not be so simple, but just example I am starting with. Easy example, you should understand the sums of ages. Getting? Understood the sum? Write down. Any doubt you can reply in comment. Okay? We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay student, next sum. See, such sums you must read carefully. Understand the meaning of each word, each statement. Then only go for condition. If your framing is correct, your answer would be correct. So step by step, do slowly. While practicing, once you understand, you can do fast sums. There are many books available. Okay? See the sum, understand the sum first. Sudhir's age is 5 more than means plus 5. 3 times the age of Viru. So if we take Viru as x, so 3x plus 5 is Sudhir's age. Getting? If Viru's age is x, Sudhir's age is 3x plus 5. 5 more plus 5. 3 times means 3x. Okay. Now Anil's age is half the age of Sudhir. Half of Sudhir. So Anil's age is half of Sudhir. Sudhir 3x plus 5. Viru x. Sudhir's age is 3x plus 5. And Anil is half of Sudhir. 3x plus 5. Getting? Because this is important. Okay. Now what condition is given? We will go for condition. If the ratio of sum of ages, understand, sum of ages of Sudhir and Viru means Sudhir plus Viru upon 3 times Anil's age. 3 times this Anil's age. A sum of Sudhir plus Viru upon 3 times Anil equal to 5 upon 6. Now you just have to cross multiply. Now see 3 into half, this 2 will send up. X plus 3x is 4x plus 5. X is understanding? And 2 will go up. 2 in bracket 4x plus 5 upon. Now this 2 is not there. 3 in bracket 3x plus 5 is equal to 5 upon 6. Now simply I am cross multiplying. 6 to the 12. 12 in bracket 4x plus 5 equal to 5 3 is 15 in bracket 3x plus 5. Now simply I am opening the bracket. We are close to answer. 12 into 4x 48x. 12 into 5 is 60 equal to 15 into 3x 45x plus 15 into 5 is 75. Simple equation. Now you have to take xx one side and you will get the answer. 48x minus 45x. On shifting that side it becomes minus. 48x minus 45x equal to 75. 60 will shift that side. 75 minus 60. 48 minus 45 is 3. 3x equal to 15. So x equal to 5. And we got Viru's age. Find Viru's age. Viru's age we had taken x and x equal to 5. Answer 5 years. You have to choose correct A, B, C, D and tick. Understanding? Any doubt? You can ask me in comment box. Sums are simple. Any difficult sum if you are not getting, you write the sum in the comment box. I am there to help you. Solve, practice more and more such sums. We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay, look at the sum. Little difficult, but don't worry, you have to practice more and more difficult sums. If not getting answer going incorrect, you have to ask me. Slowly you understand. Okay, 2 years ago, first understand the sum. My age was 4.5 times. 4.5. You can 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2 you can make. Times the age of my son. This condition is already given, condition is 2 years back. 6 years ago, more 4 years. My age was twice the square of the age of my son. Understand properly. And what is present age of son? Okay. So son's present age father. Just make a small table. Better. Father and son. Son's age you have to find out, that is x. No condition given for present ages. Let it be. So 2 years ago son was x minus 2. Getting? And 6 years ago son was x minus 6. Right? Okay. So 2 years ago condition is given. My age is 4.5, that is 9 by 2 times son's age. Getting? And 6 years means more 4 years back. This year minus just 4 years. This age of father is 6 years back. Getting? Because already we have written 2 years back. So 6 years we will just subtract 4 from that. Getting? Now this condition is given. This age is twice the square of this age. So this age is twice the square of son's age. This way we put the condition. Understanding? Now just we have to solve. X minus 6 square. Identity we will use x square minus 12 equal to this square. It is x square minus 12x plus 36. Okay, minus 9 minus 4. First we will open this bracket. 9 by 2 into x is 9x upon 2. 9 by 2 minus into minus 2. So minus 2 cutting just 9. This is just 4. Okay. Now minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. This 2 will multiply here and shifting here by rules of operations of rational number. So 13 to the 26. I have it combined. Now 2 will go here. After leveling, 2 will go here. This becomes 4. I will multiply each term by 4. So 4x square minus 48x plus 144. Understanding? See. So now no more denominator. Okay, this has become quadratic equation. So you have to factorize that. 4x square I am writing first. Minus 48x, 9x shifting that side minus 9. So 48 minus 9 becomes minus 57. Get it? 144 minus 26 shifting that side becomes plus 26. 144 plus 26 is 120. This is just a quadratic. We have to find a factor by splitting the middle term. So you want the product as 4 into 170, that is 680. Okay, so 40 and 17 are the products. Middle term I am splitting as 40 and 17. 57 I am splitting as 40 and 17. Okay. Now in first two I am taking 4x common in bracket x minus 10. In second I am taking 17 common bracket x minus 10. 4x minus 17, x minus 10. You got two answers. Every quadratic equation you will get two answers. One will be invalid. Now 10 is a valid answer. Because x equal to 17 upon 4 is invalid. 17 upon 4, if you divide just 4 years and point with 4 years 3 months. 4 years 3 months, 6 years ago condition cannot be applied. Was not born 6 years ago. Understanding? This answer is invalid. Your proper answer is 10 years. Got it? If you do not understand, you ask me. Practice difficult sums. So, sums on edges will be easy for you. One sum confusing. Okay, but you can do it. Okay? Understood? Okay. More, you tell me in comment box video on which chapter you want. Getting it? Your choice. I will go accordingly, or you can ask me doubts. Okay, if you like this, you subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get new notifications. So every time new video comes, you will be notified. You can watch immediately. You can practice more for your exam. More and more practice is the only solution to score and get success in exam. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye.